Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see Excel shortcuts from CTRL plus A to CTRL plus Z. CTRL plus A, select the entire worksheet. CTRL plus B applies or removes bold formatting to the font. CTRL plus C copies the selected cells. CTRL plus D copies the contents and formats of topmost cells of a selected range into the cells below. CTRL plus E activates flash fill, which automatically recognizes patterns in adjacent columns and fill the current column. CTRL plus F opens the Find and Replace dialog box. CTRL plus G opens the Go To dialog box. CTRL plus H opens the Find and Replace dialog box with the Replace tab selected. CTRL plus I applies or removes the italic formatting to the font. CTRL plus J, not assigned but available for customization. CTRL plus K opens the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. CTRL plus L displays the Create Table dialog box, alternative to CTRL plus T. CTRL plus M, not assigned but available for customization. CTRL plus N creates a new workbook. CTRL plus O displays the Open dialog box. CTRL plus P opens the Print dialog box. CTRL plus Q displays the Quick Analysis option for selected cells. CTRL plus R copies the contents and format of the leftmost cells of a selected range into the cells to the right. CTRL plus S saves the current workbook. CTRL plus T displays the Create Table dialog box, alternative to CTRL plus L. CTRL plus U applies or removes underlined formatting to the font. CTRL plus V paste the copied or cut content. CTRL plus W closes the current workbook. CTRL plus X cuts the selected cells. CTRL plus Y replace the last action or command. CTRL plus Z undoes the last action. Thanks for watching the video. If it was informative, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Meet you with another informative video.